Bulgarian priest held after deadly sex and drugs night out with British cleric. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A British clergyman died after a night of sex and drugs with a Bulgarian priest who has since been arrested on drug-related charges, Bulgarian authorities said on Saturday. The 69-year-old who has not been named was spending the evening with his fellow cleric aged 60 at the clergyman's house on Thursday when he became unwell, the prosecutor office said. It appears the two men had used ecstasy and poppers together and had sex. 2 ecstasy pills were also found, the prosecutor's office said. An investigation was ongoing into an autopsy, but could not immediately provide a conclusive information into the exact cause of the death of the clergyman. The 60-year-old priest was questioned by the investigating judge and placed under arrest. He is facing charges of drug trafficking resulting in death. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.